how to make overlapping sections in Elementor like this. Okay, so first we're gonna create the first container, which is a flexbox, and we're gonna make the direction down. Okay, and then we're gonna give it a VH of 200. Okay, and then we're gonna make it justify center, justify content center, align items. We're gonna make it center, and we're gonna go to style and give it a color, a background color. Let's make it torch black, like this. Back to layout. I'm gonna make it full width, not boxed. Okay, and gap. So the gap between the container that's gonna be inside, let's make it 20. Okay, and then we're gonna add a new container inside of it. So we're gonna go to containers, drag and drop right here. Okay, so this is the first container, and we're gonna make it full width, and we're gonna give it like 16%, and for the VH we're gonna make it 16 too. Okay, and we're gonna give it a style. Okay, and we're gonna add an image here. Okay, so go to media library. I'm gonna choose this black and white image, and we're gonna select it right here. Okay, position, we're gonna give it center. Okay, and display size, we're just gonna make it cover, and I'm gonna give it a border of 16. Maybe add in an overlay background. It's gonna be a color, solid color, and it's gonna be a gray like this and a transparent a little bit. Okay, let's just keep it like that. Okay, and now I'm gonna go to advanced and give it a Z index of 1, and then we're gonna go to motion effect, and we're gonna make it sticky top and stick in column, stay in column, and then we're gonna duplicate it. So we're gonna right click and click duplicate. Okay, after we duplicating it, I'm gonna change the design over here. Okay, I'm gonna go to the style and remove the background, and let's just give it a color, a different color. Let's make it grayish, something like that. And we can add another container inside it. So you can add as much as you need inside. Okay, as much as you want, images, containers, everything. We're gonna just change the direction to it and make it this side. Okay, and now we're gonna duplicate this. Okay, so here we can add in text in this side, we can add an image in this side. Okay, and we're gonna give it an Z index of 2, so it's gonna be above the first sections we add, the image one. Okay, a Z index of 2, and then when you scroll in, you're gonna notice that they're overlapping like this. Okay, and then we're just gonna add, let's go to layer, motion effects, and you can see here the sticky offset. We can make it, for the first one we're gonna make it 50. Okay, for the second one we're gonna make it 100. Okay, so when you scroll, you see this is the offset we set. This is the offset we set over here. So this is the 50 pixels. Okay, and then the 100, so it will show the section behind. Okay, and now when it stop right here. Okay, so this is how you can make overlapping sections. And for the design, you can design as you want, guys. You can add a text here, you can add an image, you can add a button, everything you need. So this is how you can make overlapping sections in Elementor. I hope you like it, guys.